Hi, Juliet. Are you jumping? Are you going to jump? Whoa! That was a big jump, Juliet. Lila, can you try not to jump on her?
I'm going to jump high. I'm going to jump high.
Get away from her.
Why?
Because you're going to knock her over. You're too big. Oh, there she goes. That was funny. Whoa. What's this? Boing! What was that? What's that in there? Is it a beach ball?
Oh, I can it. See?
Look at Mommy. Good girl, Juliet. Nice jumping. That is so funny. Okay, can you say bye-bye?